CupCooler keeps your drink warm or cold until the last sip. It comes with a beautiful silver bronze aluminum cup and a user-friendly base, in colors white and gray to match any interior. The compact and friendly shaped base is easy to set up, control, and to place on your furniture or tabletop. The metal plate cools down to approximately -16 degrees Celsius in less than a minute to keep cold drinks at a temperature between 0 and 7 degrees Celsius. After you've poured your cold drink into the cup, press the button once to instantly keep your drink cool. Hold the button for 2 seconds to change to hot mode, and your coffee or tea will be kept warm for as long as you wish. This product is designed by a local cook at DesignNest.com.